Ask for Noah there. He not I lost just you bastard. So I'm king. Oh fuck. I'm a little bit fucked today. Let's see. This one, this is a 4K. This can be a 4K quality, but I put it 1K, something like that. 128, some or one. The best, the HD, the full HD. So yeah, cool with that. The main thing that I was saying that have guys that are mapping that have 100 views. Okay, they are good mappers, but if you start right now, in about 1 year you can be one of those guys who have 100 guys seeing a mapper and giving them calls. Yeah, that's cool, Chisms. And you will see a really drifters after you stream or not streaming. Have the camera on, everybody knows your reactions, everybody sees your reactions. So, 22. Now we had a problem. Yeah, but what do you stream before that? Yeah, and King, that's what we were saying. We are here for the chill and we are here for the community. Manic is there for being the first guy and beating the world record. If you are new and if you don't know, make some memes with everybody, but I'm like in a boss situation. Not a boss, but like a leader. So I'm used to talk with every kind of brain that works with me, with young guys, old guys, every bitchisms. Of course, man. This is all I'm used to. Marcel is making a stream. I will give him maybe a ride, but he has viewers. And of the night, every stream of Noah, that was really something. And if you don't have a viewer, I'm King here for the chill, man. We are here making memes every day, making memes in the matchmaking, making memes in the arcade, making memes. We are just here for the content, man. And the chisms, you can go for the world records, at least in the white maps. Of course not, MK. We were just talking with the girl, and when it reached 3:30 in the morning, Portugal's time, team, do you play the game? Push! You have to push the guys, man. If you are really silent, one guy came and one guy go. One guy came and one body. So I can adapt to everybody. So that's one of the things that I think we can make and we are making this community that is have what almost 2 years. Give us talk to 30 minutes. Yeah, today we start just stop playing the game because yes. It's a Friday. We had the Gimme of the Week. Had a new winner that nobody knows. It was Cagney. $20. Yeah, I I had an issue with my camera, so I buy this is all of the world. I'm a little bit older, but yes, we tried our luck 2 years ago. We make a huge community. Thank thanks to Marcel that helps really. So, Marcel makes everything here. That it stops on our stream will stop and it will stay. I bet we do that. Cheapest part of all the streaming is the camera. We said to the girl, okay, it's done for today. I don't drink more. I will just make a drunk stream because I was really drunk. And she said, "You are streaming right now?" Okay, no, I will stream in a half an hour. So we started that stream at 4 a.m. I'm kidding. That's the main thing. It's our work, man. It's like a work. We have to. I need to have a schedule, and I I really enjoy to be here with all of you guys. So it's not a schedule, but sometimes I want to stream. Let's fucking go. I'm king. I'm king. Let me see. No, I was not saying that we want you to stream so bad. We were just saying that if you want to stream, just go for it. Isms. That's the main thing. Try that. Try a lot, guys. If you want. Oh, you don't have a cam? It's $20. Cheapest cam. No, my was. We will have all Kimi crew support you every time there. The 24 hours work? No. Yeah, we can stay on the Discord and everything. I will start a stream and we just stopped t-shirt 1 month ago. The guy who makes this t-shirt is not making that. No, I'm not forcing myself, man. I'm not forcing myself. I work with almost 200 people in my work, and then in the warehouse. I'm one of the best guys there, so I'm used to talk with everybody and to the content. Like, we have Nova, we have Maniac. What the fuck, man? Talking alone is depressing, but you don't talk, you don't. Sometimes you sleeping every day 5 hours, except today that we sleep 12 or 15 or 18 hours. Happens because we came here really tired at Fridays. But yes, it was a first time winner of the Gimme of the Week. That bastard. That fucking bastard. And what the fuck? There's one guy there that he says, okay, I'm mapping, but what do I do? And he comes here and I say, okay, look at M King. He has more than 100 views making the map. Go and make that. Don't care about it because the viewers will start to care. We make streams to 10 viewers, 15, 20, 30. But we were what, 6 months with two, three guys, four guys, six guys, and we said, okay, we. Yeah, medic. And I will say, oh, you make some good drifts. Did you play the game? Yeah, we played the game 10 to 20, 15 years. Yeah, yeah, just pissing you off. But yes, Mr. M King and Mr. Chisholms, if you want to stream, try it. Had no streams one day, 1 year ago, and we had to go. I can have. I'm 46, man. I can have that reflexes that you guys have that you are younger. We came here. We got tired for the work. We are streaming in the time that all the Portuguese population is sleeping almost. Yes. Yeah. Let's see. Tisms. Let's make a follow on Chisholms. Oh fuck, why can't we follow this is broken, guys. I can't follow Chisholms. Chisholms, put there your link on the stream. Camera on. Because, you know why? You never stream with a cam? Girlfriend, stream, everything. It's really hard. Yeah, I know. Yeah, that's something different, man. Every time, sometimes you don't have. Sometimes you are. Every time that you turn on the stream, it's really cool. But always you turn on the Twitch. Let me see who is playing, and you see number one of the arcade of the campaign, trying to beat the world record. Of course, he will go for Maniac. Yeah, Noah start to come to our stream, and we are just talking, talking, and talking, and talking, and talking, and talking. In the work, I had almost the boss leadership in the work. But it follows you, and easy, 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 easy. If you want, Marcel had an idea, and we follow Marcel with that. We want a 24-hour stream with the Kimi guys. Now we have to go after dinner, and we have to go to make stream. But every time that we start the stream, it's something else, man. It's really something that we appreciated, and we show that bastards we have one hell of a team in Portugal. That was one team made by me, and it was really cool, man. Okay, a selling stick makes everything here, but with my base, I think we make a. My stream is not the best, I know, but try your luck, man. because 24, 12 hours again. You don't have a reason to stream? Yeah, the RMT is really cool, but we always get those tracks that really hard, man. Chisms, you are making the map, so why don't you stream making the map and ask somebody to give me a call on this? What do I do here? Do I put grass? Do I put dirt? Do I put a hard turn? Do I put the turbo there and the jump? Whatever. You okay. So Chisms, I will not make you a ride because Marcel is live, but Marcel, Chisms will start to make streams. We have to make some rides on Chisms. But Chisms, if you are in the Kimi crew, I thought on this stream, oh my god, you want to be in somebody's place and you have to say, okay, no, I can't go because I have to stream. And I came and I make the stream, but when I start the stream, it's really everything is cool. The thing is, you know, today we are making a strange stream, yeah. Warzone in Fortnite? Okay. Okay, okay. If we had these streams here from my hometown that I didn't know, but I had a common friend that knows us. So he says, okay, I will show you to this girl who makes a streams that he has 2K and a half friend followers. Chisms. It's all about having a schedule and make your own thing, man. Look, like we said, I'm 46, man. You guys are all young. You have all the opportunity. Hold on. We'll be on vacations and all the guys are claiming that, and so Chisholm, so go for that, man. And one advice, guys, Maniac can do that, but times you go is really fun, like Maniac is saying, because we see everybody that we don't know, but the thing here is that Maniac, you are streaming for how much time? Hours, and okay, she's a big streamer for me. Okay, I had what 200, 300 followers, and we just meet with her on a Saturday night. We drink some beers, and it was what? So go for that, man. I know that my stream is good, but it's good because we have Marcel, we have Stig, we have everybody here. I know you by Portuguese time, and it was really crazy because we started the stream and everybody show up because we were not about to stream that day. Here is it's 2.5 years, and yeah, we will make a 24-hour stream for the second time here on this stream. 24-hour stream. Last day that we make that. Oh, Marcel is live. Yeah, Maniac was saying that he was streaming one time in 2024, but when he started, yeah, streams to stick. Sometimes we mix them. Oh, hello, mustard. Yeah, that's some. Sometimes it's really hard to. We want to stay a little bit more, and okay, no, something. What? Oh, setup. Okay. Yeah, Cagney wins the Kimi of the Week. I don't know if you know that guy. You watch you on to stream? The guy go. We are talking even if you don't have viewers. Everybody, one of you guys want to try to make a stream. If you want to try, we'll give you 30 minutes. Oh, I don't think that the Superbox will after 24 hours. The last time that I made that, it was on my first anniversary of stream. But we make 12 hours, then we stop 2 hours to lunch because we had the work lunch that day. Then we started again and we make. Okay, I started. We have dusk after dark. That's ahead of me. On that way we had Marcel stream, Koya stream, Bell stream. You can make a 20 to give it. So let's give you a follow. And just put a title there, going for that world record on the track that you want to go, and you will have viewers. Say, okay, that guy is just chilling there, is making the stream. Sometimes he gets money, sometimes he doesn't get it. We don't care about that, but that's something that we really appreciate. The all the community, as always. What if you stream tonight? I will raid you, Chisms. And you can go. We break our records today. We had 7 guys. Man, push. Just push, man. Don't be sad if you don't have viewers because they will start to come. They will start to know you. They will come just for Maniac when we will see a Maniac stream. You make the stream at the same hours like me. I don't care. Your viewers are different than mine because we are here for the chill, we are here for the entertainment. Your viewers are, oh my god, he's going to beat the world record. Let's see them. Okay, guys. So, 3:30 a.m. and okay. Okay, Jason. We are cool with that. Don't bother with that. Years ago? Oh, okay. Let me stay with you. Here we go. 2 years ago. Noah doesn't play. He's a bitch. He's upside down. He doesn't think. I don't know what he's thinking about, but yeah. If you talk like that, like Manic says, nobody's have viewers, man. And when you see you have so many supporters, that is really you wouldn't stream because you don't think your gameplay What about my gameplay, the chisms? What do you think? Yeah, Maniac, that's the main thing. Right now I'm resting. It's hard after 2 and something years to sleep 5 hours a day working. You are cool with us, man. 1 month and a week? Okay. I have 2 years and a half, and sometimes it's hard to come here and make a stream. Right? Yeah, that was a meme, man. Yeah, M King, go for that. If you stream and you play Trackmania, if the guys know you, they will come to your stream, and if you are making something wrong, they will say to you. But I know that you are a really good player, so they don't say that you are making something wrong. Marcel and Noah and Mania, it's not to be. You don't need to be funny. You don't need to be the best player of the world. You just need to make your content, man. Try that. Go for it. If you can, go for it, man. You guys can't. Stream camera on. I missed something. The stream. But the next day, you'll make a stream and you say 24 hours of all the Kimi guys that can stream, making a stream to make a 24 hours Kimi stream. But in about 1 month, we'll be on vacations. That's Maniac is trying to beat the world record, so he can't have camera off. But the guys who are not going for the world record, and if you want to conquer viewers, put the camera on. What about me? Seasons. Cosmaniac has a blast of views because what the fuck is number one? But start, man. It's easy. Yeah, but no. $20, man. We forced you, man. But yes, you need that. And when you see, it's really good to be here. How can, why can't I give you a follow straight here? Can open your channel, okay. When you stream, just show up on the Discord and show that we have. Bastard, as well, I know because I know that you came back because you are starting to see me making memes and you said, okay, I can beat that Kimi guy, you bastard. I will go for you. And then, what are you seeing? You were not streaming. We will push you to stream. I always saying, do that, do that, do that, do that, do that. Give me do that, give me do that, give me do that. Sometimes you hear, sometimes you don't. That's one of the things that I miss here, that we don't hear, you don't see that. But yes, in the camera video option. So, guys, the main thing is because you